Alright guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So it's just a lazy Sunday around here at the house, and what we're going to be doing is putting the MTX soundbar in Dustin's Razor. And so guys, we're going to get this thing, we're going to walk you through the install, we're going to see how it sounds, and I think we might go rip here in a little bit, so stay tuned for that.
Alright then, you get a soundbar, you get some instructions, and you get some wires.
There's your unboxing video there from Dustin. Alright guys, this thing really is pretty simple how it comes in. So this is the overhead soundbar from MTX. And of course you have to take the roof off on your Razor. But you just mount it up, you can choose on the rail where you mount it. But throw that bad boy up there and then you got some tunes, ain't that right?
Yep, it's a MTX MOTORSPORts.
That's a 31 inch I believe.
Yeah.
The 31's what's fit the Razors. 40, I think it's 42 or 44 fit the Ranger, something like that.
46 fits the Ranger, don't it?
Yeah, 46.
Maybe.
Something like that. Anyway guys, go to your local parts store, they'll tell you. But you know, 31 is what fits the Razors, and we got the slappers out of the way. Let's take a look at this thing. Looking good, looking good. Does it come with a little remote? Or is that just...
No, this is just the rubber for the mounts.
Okay.
And a fuse.
Oh, we don't need fuses where we're going. Burn it down.
I don't know, they probably use like what, some kind of little fishing, some kind of like little fishing line or something.
What do you got there?
That's some good old electric fence wire that works for anything. I think it's called a fish tape or something. That's what people use.
Yeah guys, so if you have that, that's probably the recommended way of getting the wires through the roll cage through. How hard is that?
Not hard at all. It's a little tricky, but
it is a little tricky getting whatever it is you're using in and out, especially with the windshield. I think without the windshield it would have been a little bit easier.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys, just run your fish tape, your electrical wire, you know, your ball of yarn, whatever you got around to run the wires in there, and you know, Dustin's tying them up right now. We're just gonna pull that electric wire out, make sure we don't scratch nothing up too bad. Definitely don't recommend this for if you want to keep things nice and pretty and clean, not scratch anything up, but Dustin said he's over that now, so run them wires through there.
I can't see the hole.
That's, people tend to have the problem.
It's a lot further down here than you think it would be. But there they are.
There we go. Look at that. Come right out. And like I said, guys, if you didn't know, Razors, they got the holes in the cage and some hide the wires. So that way you get that clean install. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump to the rest of it.
Alright, so we ran the wires through the hole in the roll cage. You come out down here at the bottom. And then we ran it through the inside. There's a big grommet in here. We just took a screwdriver and poked through it. We didn't poke a hole in it, but we taped the wires to it and pulled them out the front, and then ran it with a wiring harness up here. And now use the stuff that you have supplied, the fuse holder and the wire eyes, and put it on your bus bar. And you can have it on the key, and boom, sound.
Alright guys, all we gotta do is get the hood back on, everything's wired up, and we're done. And there we go. Alright Dustin, we gotta get a sound test of this bad boy.
It's a little fuel.
What do we think about it?
It's pretty nice.
You think it's gonna be loud enough on the trail?
Oh yeah.
There you go guys, there's your install on the MTX soundbar, and guys, let's get to ripping. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. We'll go ahead and link it up here when we post it. And y'all definitely make sure to catch this old turbo racer and the old Ranger.